Hey everyone, this is Swati and you're watching Beauty Things. Today I'm gonna review dual drama Kohl pencils from the range of Oriflame named The One. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel, just click on the red subscription button below. It means a lot for me. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified whenever we upload a new video. So guys, if you wanna see these beautiful Kohl pencils, so keep watching. So let's start with this shade named Cannery Teal. It's a beautiful yellow and dark green shade. It's a matte yellow shade. They have 4 shades in this range. We have taken here 3 shades together. I have also reviewed one more shade, that is Cyan Navy, and I have attached link in the description box. You can go through it or you can just click on the I button above to find that video. This is a really beautiful yellow shade. Second shade here is green mocha. This is a beautiful green, a sea green kind of shade with a beautiful dark brown color. These Kohl pencils are really soft and smooth in texture. As you can see here, it broke really very easily when I applied little more pressure. And these shades basically complements each other very well. If you want to buy them, they are available online as well. We'll be attaching link below in the description box. And yes, the price of these pencils is 369 rupees, but I have bought this in offer somewhere around 270 rupees. The third shade here is Orange Raven. It's a beautiful orange shade along with the jet black color. Here you can see it is a really beautiful shade. They are quite pigmented. You can use it over your lid as an eyeshadow or just like an eyeliner. It will really give you a very dramatic, cool look. You can use both the shades together or you can just mix and match. This green sea green and orange shade has a little bit of shimmer which is only visible under flashlight, and yes, they are not smudge free, guys. Let me quickly smudge it for you. I'm just using my finger to do that. So that's all from my side today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you find it helpful. Give it a big thumbs up and click on my channel logo to subscribe my channel. Do like, share and subscribe.